Hello, nice to meet you. This code is for easily getting orders from WordPress pages with WooCommerce in Google Sheets. I'll show you a small example. At that time, it ran the query on 9 websites and obtained all the orders and printed them in Google Sheets without having to open the pages. Advantages: load orders from specific dates in one click in Google Sheets. Load orders from multiple websites at once. There's no limit to the number of websites. If you manage web pages, this would be a great solution. Save repetitive processes with just one click. Reducing work for your hands.